Hi, my name is Kaylee Edmondson. I am the Curriculum Instructional Technology Facilitator for Dodson Elementary. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Magic School's vocabulary-based text feature. The vocabulary-based text generator is great for creating short text that allows students to practice academic vocabulary. When you use the generator, you will first put in the grade level that you would like this text to fit. Type in the topic of the text and any academic vocabulary words that you would like to include. Then you will change the text length to however long you need it to be and click Generate. Once the text has been generated, you can copy it, save the resource to your Magic School output, or you can export the text into a Microsoft Word or Google Doc. Once you have copied or exported your text, you will want to fact check it and adjust it to add in or remove any information that may or may not be needed. If there is additional information that you would like put into the text, sometimes they pop up with prompts for you at the bottom, or you can send a message and ask the generator to put in more information about your topic.